started the week by meeting our host students and settling into the campus environment. Excitement filled the air. At Hyundai, we explored and saw how innovation drives change. We learned how Singapore planned its transformation from past to future, a true example of vision and discipline. The workshop allowed us to think critically, creatively, and work closely with our peers from another culture. A well-earned day of fun to cap off a meaningful week.